audio and video systems in exhibition halls and immersive scenarios, meeting rooms, and conference centers. Command and control centers and other application scenarios are often contained multiple modules. The independent control of each module greatly reduces the work efficiency. Novastar Visual Intelligent Control Platform (VICP) provides integrated control solutions, realizing the overall visual centralized control of the large screen splicing display system, multimedia broadcast control system, peripheral environment system, and audio system. In order to achieve what you see is what you get. Excellent interface design and interactive experience to provide users with a more intelligent and efficient control environment experience. 1. Multimedia. Tap to play a program. The program display area at the bottom can visually present the program content stored on the media server. Double-click the specified program by gesture. The program can be quickly called on the screen to play. Control PowerPoint slides. When PPT is playing on the screen, VICP can control the slides, next slide, previous slide, pause, according to the requirements of the meeting in order to meet any presentation needs. Control multimedia playback. In the stage area of the tablet, it can play or pause the program. Adjust the volume. Reposition and quickly resize the layer. Rotate media accurately from multiple angles to achieve arbitrary control. 2. Screen control. Visualize screen control. The screen content can be displayed in real time on the tablet. It supports real-time pre-monitoring of signal sources such as webcams and media videos. The screen layout is displayed on your tablet. To achieve what you see is what you get display control experience. Tap to load and play presets. In the preset area, double-tap the desired preset to quickly load it to the screen. Tap Schedule and Change to enable the playback and post the desired preset playlist playback on the screen. Quickly adjust LED screen brightness. Tap the Brightness button to adjust the screen brightness. The slide design improves the operating experience, which is simple and convenient. At the same time, it can realize one-tap screen freezing and black screen, which makes screen control flexible and easy. Control layers. Drag the signal source on the left to the screen operating area. It can add a layer and quickly switch the layer source. Layers can be flexibly scaled, alignment snap layers, diversified layouts, implement cross-connector roaming, and other functions. 3. Environment control. Customize UI. It can customize the theme, interface color, layout, functions, and more according to the user's application scenarios and operation habits to fully meet the differentiated needs of different scenarios. Supports both iOS and Android mobile terminal control. Environment control. Through the operation platform, it can realize the integrated control of multi-screen independent switches, curtain lifting, volume adjustment, lighting brightness adjustment, and other environmental equipment. which is more intelligent and efficient. PTZ cameras control intelligent functions such as IP camera monitoring range adjustment. Save and apply position presets. Camera focal length adjustment can be realized by tapping the button. During the adjustment process, the picture can be watched in real time, realizing simple and convenient precise control.